Okay. Do you think it's possible to even get invalid conversions? Yes. On the DN, which is display network, I'm seeing a lot of conversions with less than 10 seconds on the site. It's lead generation. Something seems off. Yes, absolutely. Lyubo. These are bots. So I don't know why people do it, but it's just a pain in the backside. So there's a couple of things you can do. Put in Captcha on your form. So that will minimize this invalid conversions. The other thing is you can try with potentially making the form a little bit longer. So even if somebody is doing it by manually, then they won't bother. You can also do a multi-step or multi-funnel form. So use something like HighLevel or Jotform, Typeform, where only one question comes at a time. Then they have to click the button to go to the next question, and that will minimize these spam form submissions. So try that and let me know.